Today, we're making halo-halo. But no, this is not my recipe. Nandito tayo sa kitchen ng Bonch Conielo, Santa Rita, Pampanga branch. And they're teaching me how to make their buko pandan halo-halo. Ang unique, di ba? First time kong may mabibilhan at matitikman na buko pandan flavored halo-halo. They have a total of 5 different flavors ng halo-halo at titikman natin lahat today yan. The brand has been up for a couple of years now, pero medyo recently pa lang silang nagte-trending. Saktong-sakto, napakainit dito sa Santa Rita ngayon. At bagong bukas lang yung branch nila, if I'm not mistaken, about 2 weeks or so. At itong araw nga nito, parang nasa less than 5 hours pa lang silang bukas, pero malapit nang ma-sold out. Papaano ba naman hindi humihinto yung pagdating ng mga tao at pag may bumibili, madalas hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi pang buong pamilya. Kaya naman excited na talaga ako at tara, simulan na natin tikman ng mga to. So, we are here at Bonch Conielo, Santa Rita branch. Napakainit. Ito yung nagte-trending na brand ng halo-halo recently. And we're trying all of their 5 flavors. And we have a guest. This is Bert.
Yep, I'm the food expert, but not in Pampanga. You're the food expert.
Not in here. Una nating titikman ay yung mais conielo. Naka-flash nga rin pala yung presyo nila dyan para makita nyo. It's very creamy and milky at talagang favorite to ng marami sa atin.
I mean, it's a classic. It's hard not to like.
Up next, ito yung tinatawag nilang Pinoy halo-halo. So obviously, ito yung pinaka-classic sa lahat ng flavor
So
nila.
it has gelatin, corn, tapioca, saging. Meron siyang saging saba, of course. It's actually good. It's not sweet.
Yeah, I'm really surprised. The first one was not very sweet so far, and this one also. It's not sweet. It's not overpoweringly sweet.
Normally, I get scared like tasting overload halo-halo because they tend to be a little too sweet. But I'm happy that this is not.
Next naman natin yung favorite ng nakararami, yung ube overload. At aminin nyo, marami sa inyong gumagawa nito. Yung bago nyo pa ihalo, kakainin nyo na muna yung leche flan ube at makapuno on top.
Like, ideally, you would mix it. But most of us, before we mix it, at least you got to eat half of it already.
So that's a guilty pleasure
Yeah.
in the Philippines. You guys eat the flan before it gets mixed in.
Yeah. But this one is the crema de leche.
Dito naman sa crema de leche, of course, the leche flan, the milk, at yung minatamis na saging saba, yung star of the show. Ang sarap din ito, lalo na at isa sa mga signature ni Bonch Conielo, yung sariling mix niya ng gatas. And lastly, eto na, yung ginawa natin kaninang buko pandan halo-halo na merong cheese on top.
And again, it's the first time I'm ever having a buko pandan halo-halo. This is so nice. This might just be my new favorite halo-halo right now.
Imagine 2 of our favorite Filipino desserts na buko pandan salad at halo-halo pagsasamahin sa isa. Para sa akin, sobrang winner talaga nito.
Alright, so we just finished trying 5 different flavors. And what was your favorite?
I really loved the ube so much.
Yeah. And for me, since it's my first time having buko pandan flavored halo-halo, I think that's the best one for me. And so if you guys want to try something new, actually the brand has been up for a couple years now, but it's just now that they're getting a lot of attention. So let's support more of our local business owners. And if you're craving halo-halo and you happen to pass by this area, try Bonch Conielo.